It's still going to go left, but we might just catch the camera. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Left this one printing last night. This is so we can use the 18-inch steel ruler as a spring to drive a car. So we'll go and try that one out. Showed you this one yesterday, where we got a spring-powered car using a hacksaw blade as the store of power. And I did mention that quite a long time ago I bought this 18-inch ruler in Poundland to do the same thing with. Oh, not 18 inches, it's 24 inches. Well, never mind, 24-inch ruler, or 60 centimetres. So I've printed another little bracket thing, the right width, to put that into. Which way round did I do it? That way. So we'll take that one off. I might even leave it on there and slide this one on behind it. The only thing I'm thinking is that might be a little bit heavy, hanging all the way there, so we might have to bring it back a bit. Yeah, I might slide it all the way up there, otherwise the car's going to be nose heavy. So we'll do that. Now, you don't need to see me do that. You can see the principle. It all slides together. Right, there we are. So, string through there. Hook that one there. Wind it up. Gonna have to wind it a bit further. Although it's a much bigger piece of metal than that hacksaw blade, it's more flexible. It's got less spring to it. Right, wind it up a little bit more this time. Well, it really has only just got enough power to move it. Completely different to the hacksaw blade. Yeah. Needed a bit of help to get going. I suppose that's an interesting comparison. It's got far less strength or spring to it than the hacksaw blade. Right, well, I'll have to wind that up a lot more then. Gosh, well, that's unexpected. I thought it would have more power than that. Yeah, it really doesn't have anything like the same power. If I put a bigger axle on it, bigger diameter, then it would need less power to actually get it moving. But that is a surprise. I did not expect it'd have that little power. Yeah, it's really not doing it. I've given it a bit of a push there. It's built up a bit of momentum. Well, there you go. What a surprise. Just doesn't have the spring in it. If you hunt through my old videos, I have done some videos on the thickness of the back axle. You can actually make a gearing effect where you have a thick bit to start the car off, give it enough leverage, I suppose, to actually get the car moving, and then it drops off the thick bit to the thin bit where it can just carry on with less power. It's like you start off in first gear in your car. Right, let's wind that up around there and see if that's changed the gearing. Yep, that made the difference. Right, through the wonders of wireless microphones, you can hear me from up here. So I'm winding it round, our thickened axle. See if we can aim and hit the camera. I think we're going to go a little bit left. Just missed the camera. We'll try that again. It's still going to go left, but we might just catch the camera. Yeah. So just to recap, it's got less power than the shorter Hacksaw blade. It's also thinner metal. It's less than 1mm thick. It's real cheap stuff from Poundland. But it is a spring, and to give it enough help to actually turn the back axle, we thickened the axle by wrapping tape around it. And that did the job. So there we go. A 24-inch or 60cm ruler spring-powered car. Just a final thought, check the video description and there'll be links to the videos where I do the mousetrap version and the hacksaw blade version and the original rubber band powered car version, which is where that chassis comes from. That's one of my "Put a rubber band on it" videos. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.